What if you could invest like the greatest investors of all time? What if you had access to the same mindset, strategies, and principles that turn a modest Nebraska man into a multi-billionaire? In this video, we're breaking down 7 secrets to investing like Warren Buffett. Timeless principles that you can apply, no matter your experience level or how much money you have. Stay till the end. Secret number 7 is the one Buffett calls the real key to wealth, and hardly anyone talks about it. Secret 1, think like a business owner. Buffett doesn't think like a stock trader. He thinks like a business owner. Every time he buys a stock, he's buying a piece of a real company. He looks at the company's fundamentals, management quality, long-term value. So next time you're browsing stocks, ask yourself, would I still buy this if the stock market closed for 10 years? Secret 2, only invest in what you understand. Buffett stays within his circle of competence. If he doesn't understand the business, he doesn't touch it. That's why he avoided tech stocks in the 90s. Not because they weren't profitable, but because they didn't make sense to him. Your edge as an investor is not knowing everything. It's knowing your limitations and sticking to what you do best. Secret 3, buy great companies at fair prices. Buffett used to be a deep value investor, like his mentor Benjamin Graham, buying dirt cheap stocks. But he evolved. Now he focuses on great businesses with strong brand value, consistent earnings, high returns on capital. The key, buy them when they're undervalued, not because they're cheap, but because the market mispriced them. Secret 4, the power of patience. Investing isn't about action. It's about inaction. Buffett is famous for doing, well, nothing most of the time. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Time is the ultimate multiplier. Buffett made over 90% of his wealth after age 60. Why? Compound interest plus patience. Secret 5, be fearful when others are greedy. Buffett thrives in crisis. In 2008, while the world was melting down, Buffett invested billions. Why? Because when others panic, opportunity is everywhere. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. The lesson, when markets fall, don't run. Look for value. Stay calm. Play offense while others play defense. Secret 6, avoid debt and leverage. Buffett doesn't gamble with debt. He runs Berkshire Hathaway with little to no debt on its balance sheet. Leverage can boost gains, but it can destroy you just as fast. Buffett says, if you're smart, you don't need it. If you're dumb, it'll ruin you. Focus on long-term sustainable growth, not risky leverage plays. Secret 7, master your emotions. The biggest threat to your investment success? Your own emotions. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Buffett doesn't panic. He doesn't get greedy. He follows data, logic, and discipline, even when others are losing their heads. Secret number 7 isn't a spreadsheet formula. It's the ability to stay rational when the world is anything but. So there you have it. The 7 secrets to investing like Warren Buffett. Think like a business owner. Stay in your circle of competence. Buy great companies at fair prices. Be patient. Be greedy when others are fearful. Avoid debt. Master your emotions. These principles aren't flashy. They're not quick hacks, but they've built one of the greatest fortunes in history. And if you apply them with time, they can change your financial life too. Thanks for watching. Until next time, invest smart and think long term.